All right, so let's talk about high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, so with high ticket affiliate marketing, all you are doing is this: you are promoting a particular company's product that pays you high ticket commission. Now, look at this company. This company is called Wayne Crow Limited. Okay, and you can see that this company paid me $1,080 in commission. This is called high ticket commissions, right? Now, all I do is this: I just share my link. That's all I really do. I go on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, wherever I can, and I share my link from this company. And whenever a high ticket sale is made, I am paid commissions. It's just as simple as that, right? Now, why do you want to earn high ticket commissions? Now, it just makes sense, right? Now, just imagine this. If you are promoting a product that pays you $10 in commission and you want to make $1,000, you will need about 100 sales. Okay, now, but when you are promoting a high ticket product that could pay you $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,000 per sale, you will need one sale of $1,000 for you to earn $1,000. Imagine that. So that's why I prefer to promote high ticket products. And like I am showing you right now, you can see this payment to my online bank account of $1,080 from the Wayne Crow Limited. Okay, now that is not the only commission I have received from this company. Let me show you another commission. Look at this. This is another payment that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited, and you can see how much I got there: $679. That's what I'm talking about. So you want to earn $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,000 per sale. You want to be promoting the product that I'm going to show you, and that product is called the OLSP TeamBuilders high ticket system. Guys, can you see that? So the product we are talking about is called the OLSP TeamBuilders high ticket system. And look, by just promoting the team builders, you could actually make a lot of money online. This is powerful. I'm going to explain how that is done, but let me show you more commissions that I receive because I am promoting this company's product. Now, let's check more of it. Look at this. Look at this other payment here. Can you see that? This is another payment that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited, and as you can see, $1,508. How would you like to earn $1,000, $2,000, $1,500 over and over again, right? That is what you get when you are promoting high ticket product, the team builders. Okay, but let me show you more. Look at this other payment. This is a $1,000 payment. Can you see that? From the Wayne Crow Limited. How do you like that? Awesome, right? But that is not all. Let me show you more. Look at another payment I received. This is a $642 payment that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. And this could be you, right? If you take the opportunity right now and start promoting high ticket products from this company, it's powerful. But let me show you more. Look at another commission. Oh my God, look at this. This is a $2,000 commission that I received to my online bank from the Wayne Crow Limited. Can you imagine just earning commissions like this over and over and over again? This is possible when you start promoting the team builders. All right, but let me show you another one. Look at this. This is another payment that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. Can you see that? $679 paid to me from the Wind Crew Limited. But that is not all. Let me show you another one. Look at this. This is another $1,000 commission that I received from the Wind Crew Limited, guys. Can you imagine earning $1,000 over and over and over again? All you do is to just share one link. That's all. You just share one link. And this is completely done for you. I'm going to explain that. Now, you'll be thinking, I am the only one that promotes team builders, right? But that is not true. Thousands of people are promoting the team builders. And let me show you some few people, right? Look at this. Let's come to this. Let's look at this. So now, this is amazing. Can you see this? This is one of the times that I got a high ticket sale from the OLSP TeamBuilders. And you can see, congratulations to Victor Efughi on a high ticket sale. And there you see the banner they give us, Team Builders, because we build team here and we make good money doing that. Now let me show you another person. Look at this. This is Mario Standa, right? And look at that. Mario Standa also got a high ticket sale. How do you like that? Look at that, right? Because he's a team builder. But let me show you another person. Look at Barb Anderson Bishop. She's a team builder and she got high ticket sales, right? Check another person out. Look at Ida. She's a team builder and she got high ticket sales. Let's check another person. This is Jonathan Wilson. He's a team builder and you can see he makes high ticket commissions. But let's check more people. Look at Lena Bondell. She's a team builder and you can see she earns high ticket commissions. Check another person. Look at Jill Blake. She's a team builder and she earns high ticket commissions. Check another person. This is John Bitter. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. Let's check another person. Look at Peggy Price. She's a team builder and she earns high ticket commissions. Let's check another person. Look at Richard Hassan. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. Check another person out. This is Daniel Martin. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. Let's check another person. Look at Al Amaro. He's a team builder. You can see he earns high ticket commissions. Let's check another person. This is Linda Lee Huggins. She's a team builder and she earns high ticket commissions. Check out this person. This is Calvin Merrick. He's a team builder also and he earns high ticket commissions. Let's check another person. This is Janelle Rene. She's a team builder and you can see she earns high ticket commissions. Let's check another person. This is Michael DeLuca. Michael DeLuca is a team builder and he earns high ticket commission. Let's check some more. Look at Jeff Drew. Jeff Drew is a team builder and you can see he earns high ticket commissions. Let's check out Paul Hammond. Paul Hammond is a team builder. You can see he earns high ticket commissions. But let's check more. Let's look for another person. This is Harry Thompson. Harry Thompson is a team builder and you can see he earns high ticket commissions. So look, guys. If you are thinking today that this is the time for you to start making high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale, then you want to join the team builders. Now you'll be asking, but Victor, what is this team builders? So I'm going to quickly explain the meaning of the team builder. So the team builders is a high ticket affiliate system of the OLSP system that pays you commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale for promoting the OLSP and also promoting the team builders, right? Now, one of the things you are going to be taught, you are going to get a coaching program that teaches you how to promote this product and earn those high ticket commissions. And also you are going to get a lot of free coaching materials, right? So with this system, it's a complete done for you, right? So you don't need to create any product of your own, nothing. You just join the system and get your high ticket link, and that's all. So you don't need to create any product of your own. You don't need any technical skill because everything is done for you. You don't need to recruit anybody. So don't even worry about recruiting anybody. No, just share your link all over the social media. That's all I'm doing, right? I share my link on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. That's all I really do, right? Just share your link. You don't need to call anybody because all that is done for you. You don't need to sell anything. Don't bother. Don't go selling anything. Just share your link, and that is all. It's so powerful because everything is done for you. The system does a complete email follow-up on your lead. Okay, so look, once you share your link and you bring visitors to your team builders website and they put in their name and email, the system follows up from there, right? So the system follows up by email, organizes webinars for your lead, train your lead, call your lead, and close the sale for you. And all you get is commission, commission, commission. Now let's look at some of those commissions that you make with this system. Now when you become a team builder, okay, you will earn unlimited 200% commissions in front-end mega link sale. Now, the mega link is the low ticket offer of the OLSP system. And when you join the mega link, you earn 100% commissions. Now, because you are a team builder, you will earn 200% commission. So you can see you make more money because you are a team builder. But that is not all. Now, as a team builder, you have the opportunity to build a team. Okay, now because you build a team, you will earn 200% second tier commissions in front end mega link sale. So whenever your team member sells the mega link, you also earn commissions, 200% commission. That is passive income, right? Now, but that is not all. You will also earn 200% commissions on all products in the OLSP system. You will also earn second tier commission, on all products. Second tier commissions on all products in the OLSP system. So whatsoever your team member buys, you make money, or whatsoever your team members sell, you make money. So this is powerful, right? But that is not all. You will also earn unlimited high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale. That is amazing. Awesome money you are going to make with this system. But that is not all. You also get free bonuses, guys. Now, as a team builder, you will get a free autoresponder with email marketing system, having unlimited subscriber storage. That is amazing. That is whatsoever the system costs, because you know how expensive softwares are, but you are going to get that. You're also going to get a free mega builder software, free done for you email system and follow up, free lifetime coaching, group access to the team builders group, right? And you're also going to get free downloadable marketing materials for you to post on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you like, and just generate a lot of traffic and really make some good money with this system, right? So this is too much, right? But let me also Now you'll be asking, Victor, how do I join the OLSP Team Builder system? Very simple. All you do is this. Go below this video you are watching right now, just like this, right? Now, once you come below the video, go to the first link that says Step 1, join the OLSP Team Builder system. Go ahead, click that first link just like this. Now, once you click that first link, that will now bring you to this capture page website. This is powerful, right? Now, all you do when you get to this page, you see where it says enter your name and enter your best email address. That's all you need to do. Just enter your name here and then enter your best email address here. Then you see the yellow button that says click here to join now. Go ahead, click that yellow button. Now, once you click the yellow button, that will now bring you to the OLSP Team Builders website. Okay, now this is powerful. What you want to do, you want to watch the training video on this site, okay, because you are going to learn more and get more information about a lot of bonuses that you get, right? So watch the video. After watching the video, come down to this green button that says click here to get instant access at $997. Oh my God, the team builders cost $2,000, but by going through my link, you will get it for half the price of $997. Imagine all you are getting for $997. That's amazing. Now let's look at other verified and documented results. Look at Neil, high ticket commission of $2,600. Look at Abbott making a high ticket commission of $2,600. Look at Jesse, high ticket commission of $2,600. Look at Joy, high ticket commission of $2,600. Look at Lynn, high ticket commission of $4,200. Look at Prakash, high ticket commission of $4,200. Look at Jean, high ticket commission of $4,300. Look at Dana, high ticket commission of $4,300. So if you want to join people like these who are ready to help you, show you how this is done, go ahead right now, click that green button, pay your $997 and join the OLSP Team Builders right now. Awesome. Now, if you decide to join through my link and join our team in the OLSP Team Builders, this is an extra bonus that you are going to get, right? Now, for joining my team, okay, you are going to be put in our Team Builders traffic rotator for free. So what does that mean? That means that we will also help you to promote your link for free, guys. That is powerful. So you are going to get traffic from our team, okay, for free, because we are going to add your Team Builders link to our team rotator. All right, so guys, you see all the powerful bonuses you get. So if you are ready to join our team right now, go ahead, go below this video, click the first link, join the OLSP Team Builders. And look, if you have any question, what you want to do, leave it in the comment section, okay? I will respond to the question. And if you like this video, click the like button. Also click the share button. But don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel, okay? So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.